Hello, my name is Suraj. I come from South Africa, originally from Zambia. I came to Ahmedabad with my mother for her medical purposes, and while we were doing things for her, decided to have a look at a problem with my gum. And I looked for a clinic and I found Dant-Aarogyam, Microscopic Center. And I looked at a couple of other places, but I saw from Google, it seemed that people were friendly and the place was very clean. I came here, I arrived, and I didn't even have to wait very long, and Dr. Kanan saw me very quickly, and she advised me in great detail. And yeah, before doing anything else, she cleaned my teeth. My teeth feel the cleanest I've ever felt them before. And Dr. J did some fillings, and they're amazing. They look like they removed the amalgam fillings, and they look better than they did before, more natural. I think it's very beautiful work. and Dr. Kanan was very attentive, very gentle. Actually, they're both very gentle. So they take their time with you. They always keep checking if you're okay, if you're comfortable, and they don't rush to give you injections and force the anesthesia in. It's very slow, and I really appreciate all the time and effort they spent in my mouth to make my smile look good again. So I think it's really very well worth what I paid. Actually, for the amount of time they spent, is actually cheap, I think, because time is money. But also from traveling from abroad, it's at least half the price of procedures in South Africa, and even fillings or even cleaning. And then if you add the time factor, it's even more worth it to spend the time here and have everything done properly the first time. So yes, I'm really grateful to both of them for giving my mouth like new life, as it were. Thank you.